you
Sorry.
stop recording?
Why? I thought I could. Can you get your hand off me?
What's your name?
Am I required to give my name?
Yes.
I thought you can film from public.
You're committing an offence here.
What
Recording
offence?
A guard station.
What
Recording
offence?
a guard station.
What's the offence?
It's an offence to record a guard station.
It's not an offence.
Yes, it is.
I've done my research. I'm sure it's not an offence.
It is.
What offence is it?
What's this in relation to anyway?
It's just a video matter of public interest. Can you just relax a bit?
What's
There was
that?
no need to like touch me and stuff. Like we can have a conversation. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, there's my number there now.
What's your own name?
I'm not required to give any names. Unless you suspect me of committing an offence.
It's an offence to record a guard
What
station.
offence is it? Look, I'm not trying to be difficult. I came to the front office and told you what I was doing. We didn't seem to have any issues. He's just come up to me, tried to grab me. I understand you got the section 24 power, but that's only if I've contravened any other section of the Public Order Act. Do you mind identifying yourself? And your name?
There's my number.
He was very aggressive, very hostile. No need for that. Pick it back up. So what's going to happen now? You're aware it's not an offence to film from public? He doesn't want to talk.
How long do you plan on staying here?
So as long as it takes
What takes?
my film to film.
Before we even get into this tense confrontation, let's set the stage. What you're about to watch is a classic public audit scenario, a citizen filming from what appears to be a public space, and law enforcement responding with claims of offenses that may not actually exist in law. These situations often expose a critical gap between what officers believe their powers are and what the law actually calm and inform the auditor remains, while the guards repeatedly assert authority without being able to clearly explain the legal basis for their actions. You'll notice emotional tension rising, contradictions piling up, and a shift from lawful questioning into something that feels more like as you watch. Ask yourself, if filming in public is legal, why does it trigger such aggressive responses? And how quickly does a simple video turn into a confrontation about identity and
Excuse me,
Sorry.
I'll ask you a question.
What's your asking?
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, is there anything I can help you with?
No,
Would you mind stop filming the guard station then?
I'm free to film. Alright, we'll pick this back up. Morning. Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm just making a video.
Of what?
The guard station,
For what purpose?
the matters of public interest.
Right away, we see the first major red flag: physical contact before any clear offense is even identified. The auditor isn't being aggressive, isn't obstructing, and has already informed staff of what he's doing. Yet a guard steps in asserting authority with force and vague claims. This is a classic escalation mistake. Instead of calmly explaining concerns or citing a specific law, the officer jumps straight to grabbing and demanding the legal basis for their actions. When that foundation is missing, Everything that follows becomes also interesting. How the auditor stays composed, even invoking the correct use of Section 24 powers. That tells us he's done his homework. Meanwhile, the emotional tone from the guard feels reactive rather than professional. This sets the tone for the entire encounter, one side relying on law.
It is. You're not allowed to record official vehicles.
I'm filming from public.
I'm saying to you, you're not allowed to record.
Is there an
official
offence?
Yeah, you're recording guard the vehicle reg numbers coming in and out. Do you know what I mean? There's also codes to the gate there.
It's
I mean,
your
what
job.
are
It's
you
your job to
actually
secure it.
recording for?
Just making a video.
For what though? Public interest for what?
People want to see this morning.
What do they want to see? Guards
Just want to
coming
see
in and out.
videos like this.
You're recording official vehicles coming in and out of the
I'm
secure
not
area.
filming official
Yeah,
vehicles.
it is official. It's official marked.
From here.
From where here?
Is it relevant?
I didn't give you permission to record me.
I don't need your permission. I'm filming from public.
You do need your permission to record.
What country are you from?
It's irrelevant.
No, it is relevant.
Why?
For visa stats.
Do you think that I've entered the country illegally?
Where are you from?
It's not relevant.
It's a question.
Okay, and I've answered the question.
What's your answer?
I don't believe I'm entitled to answer. I don't think it's relevant to
You
what
are
I'm
in a
doing.
public place and you're being asked a question.
Okay. Am I required by law to answer the question?
Yeah, you are.
What law am I obliged?
Sorry?
Which law obligates me to answer?
Oh, where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Sorry?
Doesn't matter. Do you suspect that I've entered illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect?
I can't hear you.
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Which country?
Ireland.
Ireland. Are you from Ireland?
Perhaps.
Sorry?
Perhaps.
Well, can I see some identification?
No, I don't have any ID.
You don't?
No.
Alright.
And really starts to unravel for the guards. The claim that filming a station is automatically an offense simply doesn't hold up under scrutiny. When pressed for specifics, no law is cited, no section is named, just repeated assertions that it's not allowed, authority being mistaken for legality. Just because an officer feels uncomfortable doesn't mean an activity is unlawful. The auditor's calm contrasts sharply with the growing tension from the guards, who seem increasingly frustrated by their inability to justify their why. Close attention to how another officer steps in, often this can de-escalate situations. But instead of clarifying or smoothing things out, confusion continues. This lack of consistent messaging only fuels the conflict further.
It's my obligation not to.
In what country?
Under Section 43 of the Irish Constitution, I have the right to assemble here.
Sorry?
Section 43, or Article 43.
No, we have sections. We don't have articles. They have articles in the UK.
Okay, well, the Irish
I think you're
Constitution.
mixing your countries up, maybe.
I'm not mixing my countries up, but I have the right to assembly. Section 6, subsection 1. I have the right to assemble here. I'm just doing some filming. There's nothing more to it than that. I am allowed.
You're not allowed.
I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible. I have. So what?
You are not allowed.
Excuse me? I don't have any press credentials.
No credentials. You're no.
I don't need any credentials. I'm a member of the public, filming from public.
Official guard the vehicle.
It's not an offence to do so.
Yeah, this actually is. This belongs to the station. Do you know what I mean? So you're not actually allowed.
What information could I pull from that registration?
You can. Do you know what I mean? It's not allowed. It's prohibited.
I don't think it is. I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible. I have.
Well. So I'm giving you an order now to leave the area, please.
What's that? Under Section 8?
You do not have my permission to film me.
I don't need anyone's permission.
You do actually.
So you're ordering me under Section 8 of the Public Order Act?
You're not allowed record.
Public Order Act.
Yeah, so Section 8. Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act?
Sorry?
Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act for you to give me a directive under Section 8?
You've been informed.
Yes, but on what basis?
Give your name and address as well. That's Section 24.
Yeah, but I haven't contravened any section of the Public Order Act.
You're refusing to give that. You have no ID.
I haven't committed any offences, have
no
I?
ID, on you whatsoever.
I don't need any ID.
You're saying you won't even give your details, and then you're filming.
This part is particularly telling. Rather than answering straightforward questions about their concerns, the guard simply walks away mid-conversation. That's not de-escalation, that's avoidance. When officials can't articulate lawful reasons for interference, disengaging becomes the default. Auditor even mirrors their phrasing. Is there anything else I can help? Politeness while officers refuse to provide or often erodes public trust. People expect transparency from law enforcement, especially when rights are involved. Instead of building understanding, the vague instructions to stop filming without legal backing only create more suspicion. And as we're about to see, the justification for stopping the filming is about to
But I'm filming from public.
No, you're in my workplace.
Okay, but there's no
If
need
you
to
want
stand so
back,
close.
Stand back. But you're in my workplace.
So this is an intimidation tactic.
No, it's not. You're in my workplace.
Why are you standing so close? Is there
I'm
not
in my
COVID?
workplace.
Should we not have 2 meters distance?
You should, yeah.
Well, you're coming up to me.
No, this is my workplace.
Okay, I understand that.
So
Yeah, you're in his
I'm not
workplace.
causing
my
a problem.
workplace.
I'm not causing an issue. Can you not stand so close? Look how close this guy's standing.
you're my workplace.
Alright. Can you have a word with, like, I don't feel like there's any need for this. Like, I've communicated, I've explained what I'm
You
doing.
haven't explained. You said public interest.
With
You
all due
haven't
respect,
given
I don't
any-
need to
any
explanation
whatsoever.
Excuse me? I'm just making a video.
For what?
People are interested in seeing these
In what?
videos.
Seeing what? The patrol cars driving in.
No, they
want to
see how the authorities react to people filming from public, and they want to see the authorities respect their rights.
You can't even give a genuine reason, an explanation why you're recording.
I don't need to have a reason
But
or an
you're
explanation.
you're filming us, and you have absolutely no explanation for what.
I do have an explanation.
You don't have an
I
explanation.
do.
You don't.
Rest
I
assured.
told you I don't want.
Now the narrative changes. First it was simply, "You're not allowed." Now it's suddenly about official vehicles, registration numbers, and again, no specific law is referenced. Filming vehicles in public view, including police cars, is generally lawful in many jurisdictions unless it interferes with operations or violates a specific statute.